Okay, in problem 1, we've got x squared minus 16 over x plus 3 divided by x minus 4 over x squared minus 9. Our first step is to change this to a multiplication problem. So we're going to keep the first fraction x squared minus 16 over x plus 3 the same. And I'm going to change this to multiplication, and I'm going to flip the numerator, the top part, in the denominator. So I'm going to rewrite this as x squared minus 9 over x minus 4. And I can say I'm writing the reciprocal when I do the multiplication. That means I flip the numerator and the denominator. X squared minus 16, that is a difference of squares, and that factors into x plus 4 times x minus 4. Since we've changed this to a multiplication problem, we can multiply it right across. So let's factor x squared minus 9. That is also a difference of squares, which factors into x plus 3 times x minus 3. So that's the top part. On the bottom, we multiply x plus 3 times x minus 4. Okay, so we're going to cancel out our common factors. So x plus 3 cancels out with x plus 3 here, and x minus 4 cancels out with x minus 4 here. And what we're left with is x plus 4 times x minus 3. So that's factored form. We could also multiply these together, either with FOIL, double distribution, or writing a Punnett square. So we could do x plus 4 times x minus 3. X times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. And negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. I can add my like terms. So 4x plus negative 3x is just 1x. So we could have, or we could write the answer as x squared plus 1x. I don't need to write the 1 minus 12. So either of those two works.